What's up, T&S family? We're back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Welcome back to our channel. Okay, what's up fam? So we are back with another vlog. Today is actually Tuxx's birthday. He turned 29. Happy birthday, my love. I love you so much. Guys, I reckon that you are probably thinking, what the hell, this girl's so weird. But I love leaving these little messages because when we go back to watching it, we remember these. So my love, turn on the sad music. I love you so much, and like, thank you for being my forever. Peace. Anyways, T&S family, today is Tuxx's birthday. We are actually out going to go and watch a movie. We are actually out going to go and watch a movie. Hopefully we can actually catch a movie. Anyways, today I actually dared my husband, and funny enough, he said he'll do it. I said to him, I dare you to go out in public with your makeup done and whatever I get to pick for you. But under one circumstance, because he's like, I'm not doing it by myself. I need to do it with someone. So he's going to be doing this challenge with none other than Black Cat. So him and Black Cat, me and Chris are going to pick their outfits. Then we're going to be putting makeup on them. You know, you need to like celebrate. So we will be doing their makeup and picking their outfit, and we're going to the movies. But you know what, I don't even know if we're gonna make the movies. The movie starts at 7, but we'll see. I'm just so gonna laugh at this whole thing because this is gonna be hilarious. Anyways, I wanted to give this video a massive shout out to my girl Sera Sophia MATAIRA from MATAIRA. Oh my God. Shut up, Chris. I give this. Oh my God. Now I can't even talk. What the hell's wrong with me? Shout out to my girl Sera MATAIRA. She's also a part of the Sophia sisters. She did this challenge with her daughter, where her daughter had to do her makeup. Please go and check that out. Check out her channel as well, and make sure you subscribe to her, as well as her beautiful sisters, Sophia sisters. Okay guys, let's get into this vlog. We dared them today. Like, we just dared them. I dared them. Well, I dared my husband. He said he'll do it, but he'll only do it with Jason. So I dared my husband that if he lets us dress him and put on makeup and go in public, that I will be cooking dinner. Yes, dinner. Fish, because I am a lucky girl. I am so lucky. I will cook Taru dinner for, I feel like a week is too long, honey. Do you feel like 3 days? What can you even cook? I can make rice and noodles. And I can make pasta. Honey, maybe 3 days. I can cook for you for 3 days.
Whatever's convenient for you.
No, whatever you reckon. Okay, that's my day. If you go out in public with makeup and whatever we pick, or I pick, then and if you do it, so then what's your alternative to me? Does that make sense?
Yes.
What do you want me to do for you?
To make steak and potatoes for 3 days.
Steak. I hate touching me. Okay, deal.
You buy it.
Deal. But if you guys say like, oh, I'm doing it for a video, or if you guys say anything, like if they say something to you and you are like, oh, it's just it's a bit. If you guys anyone other than us, you automatically lose, and I get nothing. $500. I can buy. Are you sure? $5. $500.
Shake it.
Done. Okay guys, let's get the process on. Sis, trust me, that's his color.
This is not his color. You need darker. starting off with foundation. Don't ask because I don't ask for makeup. What are we coming out?
I think you're this color.
So his face is already set.
Wow, this is Taru's color. Look.
Is it?
Yeah, look. You're that black, honey. Okay, fam. Clearly, we're not the makeup artist of the family. She's out in Southside, so.
Relative Africans. I can do this better than Sera.
Oh, honey.
If you watch a bit.
Okay, have a look at me. Honey, Tuxx, I don't know what I'm transforming you into. Bro, that looks
I'm going for the more natural look.
I said she just took me down.
Oh, did you want natural? Oh my gosh.
She's like, oh, I'll just make you look like
Because that's how she does her makeup.
Wow, honey, you look hot.
Close your eyes.
Okay, guys, so basically after you do foundation, you do your...
I'm telling you, you know, I look like nouns.
You do your concealer.
Yo, stop squinting like that.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is for contouring.
Stop squinting. I reckon the thing. Gonna come out.
How do you guys keep your face still when you stay makeup?
You don't move.
Because you know the people that do it on us, they know how to do it.
Like, I feel like she's just carving into my face. Like,
No. Honey, this is how I always feel.
it's very strong.
Okay, so I'm putting on your thingy, so that's fine.
Because he wants a natural look, we're gonna go for some light lips. She can do makeup or whatever.
So I don't have a sponge, so we're just gonna go over, you know, just spray the brush. And we're just gonna go.
Oh no, this is yours. Perfect lipstick for you.
Yo, you want us to just stab my eye? In my head, this is not one of the tutorials.
Look here.
Oh, have you watched the tutorial? You don't know. This is your wife. This is your wife's
Tutorial?
tutorial, okay? This is the way Sera does her makeup. Okay,
I think I should give him a wing.
Yeah, I want to give him a wing too.
Just so he can feel fly.
For you to fly away.
So for you.
You want an Egyptian? I think the boys are actually really mad at us. Husband's coming. You look hot. It's in my little thingy. So the vibe that I was going for was like, you know, J-Lo, Jenny from the block, and this is the look. So move back, honey. He's just got those are the shoes that I chose for him. Shout out to new FLAVA. Make sure you check out their Instagram. We'll leave their link in the description box. And just the casual orange jacket. Honey, you look hot. Like, I don't know, you're hot as a girl.
Okay, so as you can see, guys, I got I picked out my dad's local shoes just because I was going for that. Just came back from Samoa look. And then we got, you know, these SJ pants, SJ led pants. And we just have, what's it called? Aloha.
so and we have the finished look. Look at them. Oh, just looking so good. You guys look hot as, like. Look at those. And those. My brother's wearing all of my dad's clothes except for the pants. Alright, let's go. You look hot.
Yo, so I'm just gonna shout the crew their tickets.
And Jason's got out.
Diet food.
Oh.
Hey, you know.
I feel so nervous.
Yo,
You're not even
I'm not even nervous. Like, I know my truth. I live in my truth. You know?
This lady's looking at you. She looked at you.
Wait, look again. Take a picture.
Let's go.
I'm with my hat like this on the
Let's
side.
go.
We're on time.
Yo, time for Black Cat. Have some screen time, brother.
What's up, guys? You know, we're just looking a bit girlish and fobby,
Don't hit me.
but I'd rather look like this than look like them. Now I'm looking sexy.
That's fine.
Nah, but joking.
Got our first guy sitting here. Is he gonna give us the looks? Yeah. See, people here are beautiful in Australia. They compliment you on however you look. They don't even care. You know what I mean? Hi.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
They're being too nice.
Mate.
If you need makeup artists, my sister's there.
Yeah, bad.
Shout out to my sisters.
See that? I just went, what's up? She put her head down. She's like, hell no.
Oh shit.
She's like, I'm not pulling this. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you gonna record us?
Yeah, I'll record you.
Okay. It's hard to feel hot when you got this mask on.
Do you feel hot?
Yeah, I feel sexy.
Do you?
Hey, yo, you know what the compliments is shirt, yo, like, yo.
That's what she said.
A few moments later.
And we're out. What do you rate it?
Oh, we don't know. What's the start?
Yeah, we missed the beginning. I didn't even know what was happening, but it was alright. That it was full on action. We ended up watching John Wick.
Johnny.
Johnny Wick.
Look at him. No, use the voice.
Did you get to that toilet?
Yeah, honey. Fam, we're gonna end the vlog here. I know we didn't really, I feel like we should have waited to do this tomorrow because it is late night shopping tomorrow, but it's okay. We can make them do this challenge again. If you like this challenge, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what challenge you want us to do, and we would definitely do it. And make sure you hashtag in the comment section, happy birthday, Taru.
Thanks, man.
Why you flick? Do girl voice, do girl voice. Anyways, we love you. Thank you to Black Cat. Black Cat, thank you for being in our video.
It's alright.
But like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace. We had to bring the vlog back. Like, look at that.
Right, now I ultimately look like the girl that just finished the big night out.
I told you you didn't look like the girl that just finished. Like, look at that wingman.
Shout out to all you ladies that wear makeup. God bless you. It is
need it.
It is a mission. Sitting there with all the stuff on your face and like you don't want to move because you feel like it's gonna crack, eh? So God bless you.
That was so fast.
Your eyebrows.
Yeah.
God is
Just go
good.
over with like a clean one.
But I didn't do much on you. You're a natural or whatever.
Aww.